create lookup field to contact an event. Click on new, click on lookup relationship, click on next. So it's related to first contact. Click on next, and then next, save and new. We need to create for event also, right? So now let me create another lookup relationship with event. Next, it's taking time. Click on next, and then save it. So now with this we are done with creating custom fields and also objects. Now we are done with this. Now we need to create a screen flow. For that, go to home. In the home, here search for flows in the quick find. Now here we want to create a new flow. Click on new flow. Now here we're gonna choose screen flow. Okay, here we're gonna choose screen flow. Let's just take screen flow. Now let's start this. This is how you will see a start element on the canvas. This is the entry point of your flow. Okay, now what we need to do here, we need to create the first screen, right? So for that, if you see here, we have something called a space option between the screen flow and end option. Click on it. Okay, click on it. So now here what you need to do is you can see that something here. Now what we need to do here, you have seen all the elements, you can see the logics, you can see the interactions, and also you can see the data here. So here we're gonna choose screen here and just name this as, let's name something. Okay, let me just label something. Let's give it as attendee info, attendee information, or let's give something called as attendee details. Yes, attendee details. Now if you give it here, yes, now if you see on the left side panel, you see some component panel, right? So from this you need to drag some fields here. We're gonna drag text field, and just we'll label it as full name. Let me name it as something called as full name. Okay, now let's make this as require. Then now let's take email. Yes, we got it, email. So let's name this as something email address. Okay. Let's give it as email address. Yes, so it will be something like this. Yes, it's done now. So we'll leave this all things like this. Yes, label is done. All we don't need, we'll make it as true, so it is required now. Now we need another field, that is phone. Yes, now drag it. So label this one something called as phone. If you want to make it global, it's your wish, otherwise it's up to you. Now attendee details. Yes, this is done. Yes, this all is done. Now let's give it. So now we have created a screen. Okay, so what the screen will do, the screen will collect the attendee basic informations, like we have made some fields required, right? So that this flow ensures that it doesn't continue if essential information is missing. So what the screen will now collect, it will collect the name, email and the phone of the user. Okay, now we need to create another screen, right, for the ticket and event information. For that, again, if you click on the plus here, okay, this is done. Now click on plus here, again take another screen. So the screen name will be something called as let's give it as event registration details. Okay, event registration. Okay, event registration details. So now for this we're gonna add some components called, let me take some components, text field. Okay, so here we're gonna give it as event name, make it as required, and then we're gonna take another field called as date. Yes, now let's label it as something called as event date. Make this as required. Now we need something called as pick list. So this is for ticket type. Now let's give it as ticket type. Make this as required one. Okay, pick list. Okay, let's enter the values. We need to enter the valid value.